Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, what is the real solution to this equation? 1 plus x square plus x cube up to x to the power 2021 plus x to the power 2022 is equal to 1. How can we solve this? Let this is equation 1 and we can cancel 1 from here and here, so we will get this. Let this is equation 2. Now if we multiply equation 1 both sides by x, we will get this. Now if we look at equation 2, so x plus x square plus x cube up to x to the power 2022, this is equal to 0. So we can plug in it here and this will be equal to 0 plus x to the power 2023 is equal to x. And we can write this as x to the power 2023 minus x is equal to 0. Take x common, so x to the power 2022 minus 1 is equal to 0. And from here we get x is equal to 0 or x is equal to plus minus 1. But if we plug in 1 in equation 2, so we will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to 1 to the power 2022, and this is not equal to 0. So 1 is not the solution. But if we try 0 and minus 1, it satisfies equation 2. So the solution set is 0 and minus 1. And this is the answer to this question. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.